Every beautiful home tells a story, not through expensive furniture trends or square footage, but through how it makes you feel the moment you walk inside. Some spaces instantly help you relax, and some can leave you feeling restless. The difference isn't size, it's character. The best living rooms aren't designed around a television. They're designed around living. Choose fewer, better pieces for touches of quiet luxury. Layer warm wood, natural stone, soft linen, and rich textures that grow more beautiful with time. Invite nature inside with fresh greenery and abundant daylight. Together, these timeless materials add warmth, character, and a quiet sense of calm. Luxury kitchens aren't defined by size. They're defined by intention. Clear the countertops and display only what deserves to be seen. Natural wood, stone, warm metals, and soft lighting make even a compact kitchen feel elevated. When every object has a purpose, the entire room feels calmer. Your bedroom should feel like a sanctuary, a place to exhale. Layer soft bedding, warm lighting, and natural textures. Choose fewer furnishings with greater presence and purpose. Add one or two unique pieces with style and history. A vintage dresser or nightstand, an antique mirror, or elegant lighting. The most relaxing bedrooms don't demand attention. They quietly earn it. Quiet luxury begins with simplicity. Store the clutter. Let beautiful natural materials become the focus. Stone, wood, glass, and greenery can soften the space and bring a sense of calm and character. Your home story begins the moment the front door opens. Maybe with a beautiful console or a bench for extra storage, an elegant mirror, inviting greenery with a thoughtful piece of art. Even the smallest entryway can create a lasting first impression. Whether it's a balcony, a small patio, or a cozy backyard, don't think of it as outdoor space. Think of it as another room. Layer natural textures, comfortable seating, soft lighting, and living plants. Even a few square feet can become your favorite place to slow down. Nature doesn't need much space to transform how a home feels. Character can't be rushed. Quiet luxury grows over time. The homes we remember aren't perfectly decorated. They're thoughtfully created and slowly evolving. And the most luxurious home isn't the largest one. It's the one that makes you feel at peace.